Hey everyone, let's talk about why Bitcoin's price has been popping off lately. If you're new to crypto and you're seeing headlines about all-time highs and Wall Street jumping in, this is for you. First up, big money is now in the game. Since early 2024, spot Bitcoin ETFs have been approved, and that's a game changer. I'm talking BlackRock, Fidelity, ARK, the biggest names in finance. They're pouring billions into Bitcoin, not just for themselves, but making it easy for pension funds and banks to get exposure without actually holding the crypto. More demand equals more price pressure, it's as simple as that. Now let's talk about interest rates. The Federal Reserve's hinting at cutting rates because inflation's finally cooling off. When interest rates fall, boring old assets like bonds start looking less attractive. That pushes investors to take more risk, cue Bitcoin. Plus, a weaker US dollar makes Bitcoin look even better on the world stage. And it's not just about the US. Global trust in fiat currencies is slipping with all the geopolitical drama and countries like the BRICS lining up to challenge the dollar's dominance. Some places, El Salvador, Argentina, spots in Africa, they're warming up to Bitcoin as a hedge against their own unstable currencies. Here's another huge reason, the Bitcoin halving. Back in April 2024, the block reward for miners got cut in half. That means only half as much new Bitcoin is coming into circulation every day. Less supply, same or more demand. You guessed it, prices historically climb after each halving, usually within 6 to 18 months. But it's not just the fundamentals, the charts look strong too. Bitcoin recently smashed through major resistance levels, like 70K and even 100K. That sets off a wave of FOMO. And we're seeing big holders, the so-called whales, stacking up more coins. On-chain data shows a ton of Bitcoin moving into cold storage, which means people are holding for the long term, not looking to sell. Retail investors are back as well. Social media is lighting up with digital gold talk, stories of life-changing gains, and the ETF hype train. Even altcoin profits are rotating back into Bitcoin during market slowdowns. And if you've heard people call Bitcoin ultra scarce, that's not just marketing. With all these ETFs, institutional money, and the latest halving, the scarcity narrative is stronger than ever. Some folks are even throwing out long-term price targets of 250K and up, comparing it to digital gold or real estate. So, to sum it up, Bitcoin's rally is driven by institutional money flowing in through ETFs, the post-halving supply shock, a softer dollar, and global instability. Together, it's creating the perfect storm for price appreciation. If you're thinking about diving in, just remember, crypto is risky, so always do your own research. But for now, Bitcoin's story is just getting more interesting. Catch you in the next one.